Hey y'all, welcome to DIY with J Best. This is officially my first video. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long to get my channel up. I've been having so many people like, what do you use for your curls, honey? Tell me, yes, we need advice. So here I am. It's taken me a while. I had to, learn myself and get my curls right so I can teach you. And here we are finally. So I am J Best. My channel is DIY with J Best. DIY, what we will be doing on this channel, I will be teaching you about curls, how to maintain them, how to get you your fresh, beautiful, voluptuous curls that you've always been waiting for, wanting. Because you have them, you just don't know what to use, and I'm here to help you with that. I'm also going to teach you about nails, because I love doing my own nails. I don't go waste money in the nail shop anymore. I'm going to teach you my face remedies, my skin remedies, you know what I'm saying? All the little things that make me look flawless and fabulous, honey. And that's what I'm here for. I will be showing you in this video today how to obtain this look. This is just my protective style, my protective twist style. And I love this hairstyle very much. I can make it last up to like a week and a half at the longest. You can also, you can do it longer if you want. I just prefer to take them out before 2 weeks. And I'm so excited to show you and teach you. I've been watching YouTube videos. My favorite person is Bianca Renee. Shout out to Miss Bianca Renee today. You guys have to check her out. But she has the same type of curl pattern that I have. So I learned a lot from her. And then I ordered books, looked online. There's websites that you can find, what to use, how to style your hair. And it was just a trial and error. I had to try different products, see what works, see what didn't. Because things that I may like, you may not like it. Things that you may use, I may not use. So it all just depends on your curl texture, your pattern, and your porosity level. What I'm telling you in my videos is I'm not certified, I'm not a professional. This is just me and what I've learned. So don't come up in my comments talking about, oh, well, this is what they said, this is what they say. I'm not here to tell you anything that a scientist should tell you, a hairstylist should tell you. This is what I'm telling you as far as what I've done and what works for me. Okay, so if it doesn't work for you, that is fine. That's perfectly fine. If there's a product that I use that you don't like, that's fine. Because that's how it is in the curly girl community. I am really excited to help you guys because there's so many girls that, especially in my class, that have curly hair that do not know the potential that they could have, when it comes to their curls and how it can look. And that's what I'm excited to bring out in you and your curls, because our hair is our crown. Us girls, I don't care if it's fake, I don't care if it's real hair, we love our crown, we take care of it. You know what I'm saying? This is, we're queens, so we need our crown. So a little bit about me. The J is for Jessica. The B, the best is my last name. Yes, it's real. I got it from my mama, the white side. Don't ask me any more than that, okay? Yes, it's real. But I go by J Best. I'm from H-Town. I'm born and raised, so you will see me at the end of my videos throwing my H-Town up. I reps H-Town hard because they made me who I am today. You know what I'm saying? I am 29 years old. I'm in love. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got no kids just yet, but I want some. But, that's just a little bit about me, just to let you know who you're dealing with. You guys don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell so it'll notify you every time I post a video. I'm going to try to keep posting every Sunday, okay? That's my goal, to post every Sunday. Okay, so with all that talking and everything, let's get into how to make this look happen, honey. I'm just going to start with my leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. That way when I wrap this side up, I just have it moisturized. And when I take it down, I could just put a little water, refresh it, and get the twisting, okay? I'm going to go in with my smoothie, my Curl Enhanced smoothie. Just like with my wash days, I put in my leave-in product. Then I do some type of smoothie or milk, And then I'll go in at the end with my gel. I'm going to do the same method and apply the products the same way as if I was doing my wash day. My curls are nice and juicy with all the product that I've applied. See there? So you want to make sure your hair is nice and moisturized. Just take a little bit of product on my fingers. I'm going to take a little of my gel. My Girls with Curls Dippity-Do. I love this gel. I take a little bit on my fingers, not even that much, just a little bit. And at the ends of it, I just like to twist off my curl. Now that I'm in my front area, I always leave out my little curls right there so I can fleek my baby hairs. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, push that bell, all of that stuff, okay? I cannot stress this enough. Patience, 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 patience. When going through this transition is key because it's time. That's what it is, time. You got to trust your process, trust the method that you're using, and in due time you will see a change. You will feel a change in your hair, but you have to give it time. I'm gonna tell you that, and I'm gonna tell you that, and that's how it is.
You gotta have patience.
You gotta have patience, little sister. Okay. We are all finally finished with the first half. Now, oh snap, check it out. Okay, so so that's how we obtain this look here. Yes, pow, ew. All right, so I've already completed both sides, as you can tell. I am done, honey. It took about 6.5 hours actually, even with taking my time, stopping on all my breaks and stuff, you know. It still only took, yeah, that many hours. My curls are set in place now. Let me zoom in on that. Yes, nice and moisturized. I had to fleek the baby hairs real quick, you know what I'm saying? Even the ones that don't show. Okay, guys, so yeah, so that's the final look. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this hairstyle and you feel you want to do it, or on yourself or on your children, please give this a thumbs up. If you learn anything, give this a thumbs up. And please, please, please subscribe to my channel, DIY with J Best. Again, I want to thank you guys so much. I'm so excited to start this new journey with you guys. And leave me any comments, questions, concerns below, okay? Thank you. Till next time, DIY with J Best.